Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction features on this BLACKVIEW smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Come on! Now select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. After that, you need to select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!